So science students, we need to learn how to calculate resistance in both series and parallel circuits. I'm going to talk about series circuits first and then do an example. And then in another video, or the next video, we'll do some parallel circuit stuff. And we'll do the videos separately, but by the end you'll have your notes side by side, so you can easily see a comparison of how resistance works in series circuits compared to parallel circuits. So let's get started. Let's say that we have a series circuit like this one on the left, and we have two resistors, resistor 1 and resistor 2. Well, the total resistance of this circuit is just the sum of those two resistors, R1 and R2. It's quite simple. So let's say that this was a 5 ohm resistor and this was a 2 ohm resistor. Just making up a couple of numbers. That would mean that the total resistance of this circuit is 7 ohms, because 5 plus 2 is 7. So resistors in series, very simple. We just add up all the resistors and that's the total resistance of the circuit. So having a look at this example, you might want to pause at this stage and try it on your own. Then I'll have a go at it. Okay, so the resistance of this circuit. So we've got R1, so total resistance equals R1 plus R2 plus R3. Now these actually happen, I've just noticed, happen to be in kilo ohms. So this means 3000 ohms, for instance. You can adjust the others as you go. Okay, so 3 kilo ohms, 3000 ohms. The next one is 10,000, and the last one is 5,000. So that means, oops, one too many zeros. That means the total resistance of this circuit is 18,000 ohms, or 18 kilo ohms as the case may be. Right, so really quite simple when we're looking at resistors in series. Go ahead and try some questions on that.